Hello, welcome to this 10-minute session designed for you to have a beautiful night's rest. I am Angelica. I am yoga and meditation teacher. I am very grateful that you are here because your well-being is a gift for the rest of us. So thank you for taking care of your well-being. This video has no ending words, so you can fall asleep with it if you want. There is a lovely sound bath to finish the session, so stay until the end. And if you like the video, you can share it, of course save it to use it later, and you can subscribe to the channel to find more videos like this. I hope you enjoy it. So let's start with a very simple exercise. You just lie down in your bed, in a mat, wherever it's comfortable for you, and keep the arms along your body. Take a couple deep breaths just to start to connect with your own body, to start to calm down your nervous system. And then with the next inhalation, make a fist with your hands. Bring the arms slightly away from the floor, from the bed, and the legs as well. Tense all the muscles, contract all your body, and then exhale and release. Again, make a fist with your hands. Bring the arms slightly away up, and bring the legs slightly up so you contract all the muscles of your body, and then exhale, release. And then one last time, fist with your hands, arms up, legs slightly up, just contract all the muscles of your body, and then exhale. And then take a moment to enjoy the feeling of releasing all the tension of the day, tension from your muscles. Enjoy that feeling of letting go, allowing your body to enter into relaxation mode. And then let's do the second exercise. Make sure you have a wall close to you, maybe a chair as well, it could be useful. What we want to do is to bring the feet up, the legs up against the wall, and this activates even deeper your relaxation mode. So make yourself comfortable, feet up. If you need to soften the knees, that is absolutely fine. I want you to stay really comfortable, so you can focus your attention into your breath. Make sure you notice the breath in your tummy. So in that way you are activating diaphragmatic breathing, which also activates relaxation mode. So we are here to take you into a very deep state of relaxation. Allow your body to be heavy, soft. Allow your mind to follow the breath. Allow your breath to be slow. And perhaps allow the exhalations to be slower, longer. And enjoy the feeling of deep relaxation. Stay with your breath, and when you notice that your mind is wandering around, it has gone somewhere else, great that you notice your own thoughts. But then gently and nicely allow your thoughts to go, bring your mind again to your breath. Again and again, return to your own breath. Use your breath to create a space between the thoughts, space in your mind.